Hey guys, back with me again. Now, in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create this Barbie blinking text effect on CapCut. So first, you just need to write your text and then change the style to however you like. I'm gonna be using the cookie font here. Then you need to go to style and change. I'm going to just add some stroke. I'm going to add some pink stroke like this. Click on a check icon and then just trim the text as short as possible like this, for example, and then copy it and put it next to the previous one like this, but change the style. So now I'm going to change the text to pink and then the stroke to white. Okay, so now you have two tags like this. Then next you can just copy the text alternatively like this. So copy the first one and put it on the third, and copy the second one and put after. So you can just repeat the steps until the end of the clips. Okay, so I've already done copying the text like this alternatively, and the result will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.